Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get better Marvel Rivals aim. First, let's dive into your game settings. Finding the right mouse sensitivity is crucial. It directly impacts your ability to track opponents smoothly. Experiment with different values until you find what feels natural and responsive for your playstyle. A good starting point is often a lower sensitivity for more precise movements. We'll also cover other key settings. Next, let's focus on core mechanics. The practice range is your best friend for isolated training. Spend time there learning each character's weapon recoil and how to compensate for it. Consistent crosshair placement, aiming at head level even when not shooting, will give you a significant advantage in firefights. Remember, muscle memory develops through repetition, so make practice a regular part of your routine. Now, let's elevate your game with advanced techniques. Don't stand still. Combine your shooting with strafing and dodging to make yourself a harder target. Anticipating where enemies will move next allows you to pre-aim and land shots more easily. A calm and focused mindset is also vital. Avoid tilting and stay composed, even when the pressure is high. This mental edge can significantly improve your consistency. Finally, let's talk about your setup and some last tips. A clean mouse and mousepad reduce friction, allowing for smoother, more accurate movements. Make sure your monitor's refresh rate is set correctly for the best visual feedback, often 144 Hz or higher. These small adjustments can make a big difference. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Consistent practice and a good setup are key to becoming a top-tier aimer in Marvel Rivals. Keep grinding, and you'll see improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.